So this is the review of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z or Z, whatever you prefer calling it. I have been using it since the last 2 months and I always like to use a product for a few days, at least a week before publishing my review. I don't like to just open the box and make a review video right then and there. It looks very similar to the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2. They have similar features as well, but the Wireless Z is way more affordable. It's even less than half of the price of Bullets Wireless 2. So being the cheapest Bluetooth earphones from OnePlus, how does it perform? Does it live up to the OnePlus branding and quality? How is the sound quality and how is the build quality? Let's find out in this video. Hello everybody, this is Arijit. Let's take it easy. So this is the box packaging of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. Nice looking white and red packaging from OnePlus. Now let's open it up. And by the way, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and get subscribed. It's free. Hit the bell as well. Let's cut the plastic wrap open first and it slides out like this. At first we have the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Bluetooth earphones. And now we have another small box. Inside the box we have a small USB to USB Type-C cable for charging in the favorite color of OnePlus, which is red. And the OnePlus cables, they really look good. They even have red accents inside the ports. Then we have some extra pair of ear tips in larger and smaller sizes. The medium size should be installed by default. At last we have some documentations which I never like to read. So let's move on. Let's check out the earphones. And here it is. A subtle OnePlus branding is there. Now let's first talk about build quality and stuff. The earphones are glossy outside and matte inside. On the outside, this circly area is kind of shiny and it reflects the light at certain angles, creating a shimmering effect, kind of. Looks cool. Multiple air inlets or outlets are there to help with the sound profile, especially with the bass. The earbuds are angled and the protruding parts are some kind of ear support and they work really well. Those things make sure they fit really well, especially if you are doing some kind of physical activities or exercise. They don't come off easily. They stay in there quite well. The ear tips are quite soft and comfortable. They provide good grip as well. The default medium-sized ear tips fit very well for me, and even if it doesn't fit you well, you can of course replace them with the provided extra tips. The earbuds are magnetic and the magnets are adequately strong, unlike the Sony XB400, which I reviewed earlier and used for a long time, had really weak magnets. But this one is perfect. Even if you just hang them and don't connect them intentionally, most of the time they will get connected because of the strong magnets. Though I would like to see flat cables, but these cables are not flat. But the cable quality is pretty good. They don't feel cheap. Of course, the neckband is flexible, it's thick and feels very strong. And there is a very soft touch rubberized coating all over the neckband, which feels nice. It comes with good quality buttons with good tactile feedback. With the Bullets Wireless Z, you don't need to press and hold any button to power it on or off. The magnetic earbuds work as the power button. Connect them to power off or disconnect them to power on. You can pair it to two devices and there's a dedicated button to switch between two paired devices. It's pretty lightweight at 28 grams and again that makes it comfortable to use for longer durations. Overall, the build quality is excellent. The OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z is IP55 water resistant. IP55 is not the best of course, but hey, it's better than nothing. Turn on Bluetooth and enter Bluetooth settings. Then you just have to detach these earpods and they are turned on right away. As you can see, the white LED is blinking. That means it is ready to be paired. Then just find the device and start pairing. Pairing done. While playing any music or videos, you can press this button in the middle to play or pause. Press the plus button to increase the volume. You can press the minus button to decrease the volume. You can double tap this button to go next, or you can press this button for 3 times to go previous. Press and hold for 2 seconds to summon the virtual assistant of your phone. You can press this button to receive a call. You can again press once to disconnect the call. The Bluetooth version is 5, which is great. It connects very quickly. You just disconnect the earbuds and within 2 seconds it just connects to your phone. The Bluetooth range is excellent. I did not face any connection issues while I was using the Bullets Wireless Z. The connection was perfectly stable when the phone was in my room and I was in the next room. Even when I went past the next room for about 10 or 15 feet, the connection was stable as well. The OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z comes with great quality bass. They didn't really emphasize on the bass. They didn't really market it as a super bassy earphones like Sony did with the XB400, but the bass or the low end is really crisp and clear and perfectly tuned. I would say it is even a little better than the XB400 by Sony. So great job OnePlus. There is good balance between high ends and low ends. Instrument separation is excellent, at least for the price. Clear vocals are there as well, but I would say the Sony XB400 had a little better vocals. A little bit, though it probably has a Qualcomm chip inside, but it doesn't come with Qualcomm aptX support like the Blitzwolf FY-E8 TWS earphones I reviewed earlier. The overall sound quality is great because the actual speakers, the 9.2mm drivers, are of great quality, and at the end those drivers actually produce the sound. Overall, I love the sound quality, I love the bass. I would give it 9.5 out of 10 for bass, and I would give it 9 for overall sound quality out of 10. The OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z is available in 4 different colors: black, blue, oat and mint, I believe. Let me check. Okay, so those are the 4 different colors available for the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z, and it is available at 1,999 rupees, which is nearly $27 as of now. So OnePlus has done an amazing job at pricing these earphones. So if you want to just check it out, or if you want to buy it, the purchase link will be there in the video description and in the top comment. So check those out. If you buy from our links, you pay the same price, but it definitely helps the channel. And by the way, our social media links will also be there like always. If you talk about battery life, the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z is a champion, especially at this price point and considering the form factor. 20 hours of playback time at this small form factor and at this price is just incredible, and you will really get close to 20 hours if you keep the volume at 50% or less. It's pretty loud. Even outdoors, I don't think you will need to cross the 50% mark. Indoors, I just keep it at 30 to 40% max. At my kind of usage, I just have to charge it once in 3 or 4 days. And if you talk about charging, again, it's a champion. It has warp charge, which is a kind of quick charge from OnePlus, and the best thing is that you don't need any special warp charge or quick charge adapter for that. Any 5 volts and 2 amps adapter will work, and I believe it will also work with 1 amp adapters. You just charge for 10 minutes and you get 10 hours of playback time. With the Sony XB400, 10 minutes charging will give you just 1 hour, and here you get 10 times that, 10 hours. And the full charge from 0 to 100% will complete in less than 1 hour so far I can remember. Now let's talk about the pros and cons, and let's begin with the cons. The USB Type-C port, it doesn't have any flap or cover, but fortunately it stays on the underside while you are wearing the Bullets Wireless Z. The neckband will hang in there, it will hold on to its place, except when you are lying down. It might slip away, though not as bad as the Sony XB400, but there's a hack. You can use it like this, and now it is not going anywhere. Now let's talk about the pros. It has USB Type-C, which is good of course because most of the things nowadays going Type-C, and it's also waterproof, well in fact water resistant, IP55. Not the best, but it's there and it helps. It has great sound quality with awesome bass, and the magnets are strong. Then you get excellent battery life and you get fast charging. Then you have great build quality, and finally it has very good, very attractive pricing. Especially if you consider all the features and the performance, of course, it has really great pricing. So guys, I really appreciate all your support. It takes a lot of time and patience to make videos like this. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It definitely boosts my motivation. Consider subscribing, it's free. Hit the bell icon to stay notified for the future videos and updates. If you have anything to say, drop a comment down there. And if you love the kind of work we are doing here, please share this video with your friends and family. So that's it for this video. Have a great time, and I will see you in the next video.